How to add TikTok link in YouTube description. So if you want to add TikTok link in your YouTube description, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Now on your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on settings and privacy. Or you can also go with edit profile. And here you will have your TikTok link, right? Your username. So you just need to simply tap on the link that you have below the username of your TikTok. After copying the link, now you need to open up your YouTube. After opening your YouTube, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. And here you need to go with your settings, which is on the top right, and then tap on your channel option or tap on view channel. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now go with the pencil shaped icon and it will take you to the channel settings. And here you will have add a description section. Tap on add a description and then you need to paste the link here and tap on save. That's it. That's how you can add your TikTok link in your YouTube description. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.